In this box is a camera I've been waiting 3 years for. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the new Sony A7S III camera. So let's get into it. The Sony A7S III is probably one of the most anticipated cameras of this year. Everybody has been waiting for this camera for a really long time. I was waiting for this when I was about to get the Sony A7S II, but saw that it lacked a few features that I wanted to wait for the new model to come out. So pretty much I had to buy another camera that had all of the features that I needed, but I still wanted that Sony camera and I just couldn't wait anymore. So I bought a Panasonic GH5, but it lacks autofocus that this camera is actually really good at. So let's open it up. Oh yes. So this is also the 24 to 70 millimeter lens I ordered because I needed the lens. Here it is. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so the normal manual and accessories. Here is I think it's the HDMI cable clamp. Yeah. To secure the cables. It's a USB cable. Here it is. This is the camera strap. And let's hear, this is the battery charger, which I'm really glad there's actually a charger in this camera because I know previous Sony cameras you had to buy this separately. I actually had to buy a charger for my Sony RX100 because it didn't come with an actual charger like this. I had to charge it in the beginning with the battery inside the camera, but this makes it so much easier. And here it is. Okay, yes. I do like the feel of it. It does feel really solid and strong. And here is the flippy screen that everybody has been requesting the Sony cameras to have. And it's right here. This is so awesome to finally have this camera in my hands. So let's get the lens on. So this is the 24 to 70 millimeter 2.8 G Master. Comes in its own bag. And it's pretty heavy, pretty solid. Lens. That's the lens hood. Here it is. So let's put it on. So here it is, finally, the Sony A7S III. I am excited to play with this camera. I have to go charge the battery for it, which is still in the box somewhere. But thank you for watching. And if you have the Sony A7S III, let me know in the comments below. Or if you're looking to get a Sony A7S III, let me know as well. And if you want to see more of my videos where now I'm going to be using this camera, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell to get notified when I post new videos. If you're not following me on social media, go follow me right here at I am Desiree Rodriguez. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.